Struggling with WordPress SEO? You're not alone. Today we're taking a close look at a plugin that promises to handle it all. The all-in-one SEO Toolkit by Aioseo. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. According to their site, Aioseo is built to help you compete in search results by providing a complete set of tools. This includes everything from basic on-page optimization and rich snippet schema to specialized modules for video SEO and WooCommerce stores. The positives are significant. The interface is intuitive. The setup wizard is fantastic for getting started quickly, and features like the True SEO score give you immediate, actionable feedback on your content. For local businesses, the built-in local SEO features are a major plus. However, a key negative is that the plugin operates on a freemium model. While you get a solid foundation for free, the most impactful capabilities are part of the premium packages. All-in-one SEO offers 4 tiered pricing plans: Basic, Plus, Pro, and Elite. The basic plan at $49.50 subs per year covers one site and includes essential features like powerful XML sitemaps and WooCommerce SEO. The Plus plan at $99.50 subs per year extends usage to 3 sites and adds advanced SEO features like author SEO and local business SEO. The Pro plan at $199.50 subs per year allows use on 10 sites and includes SEO master tools like keyword rank tracking and unlimited SEO revisions. The top-tier Elite plan at $299.50 per year is designed for agencies, permitting use on 100 similar sites and including a substantial amount of AI credits. All plans come with additional True SEO keywords and unlimited SEO audits. See you later.